In this video, I'll show you how to buy Canva for a day. Please note that this is only available for select countries, and my assumption is that they are targeting low-income countries, and I'm in Kenya right now, and buying Canva for a day is available. Welcome to this video. My name is David, and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I do have Canva free, and as you can see here, it shows start your free trial for 0 shillings, and all you need to do is just click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to the different options available here. So either Canva Pro for individuals or Canva Business for individuals and teams. I'll go for Canva Pro, and once I go there, I'll click on try it for free for 30 days. And once I click on that, you'll notice that when you come to choosing the plan, there's a free trial and one time. What I want to target is one time because there are a couple of tasks I need to do just for the day, nothing much. So you will take a note that there is no auto renewal. You can top up anytime. You won't lose your 30-day free trial, which is good. And then you've got either 1 week for 340 shillings or 1 day for 130 shillings. So it ends on January 28th. So for this, let's say I go with 1 week, 340 shillings. This is more or less based on today's conversion rate, about $3 or less. So let's say we go with that particular option. I just want to buy it for a week, maybe for just a project I have for that is going to be running for a week. So it ends on February 3rd, and then I'll click on next. And once I click on next, to finalize the payment, there are two options, either credit or debit card. And in Kenya, we have M-Pesa. So I'll click on M-Pesa. And once I do that, you'll see a drop down right there. And we use it to calculate tax. Payment will be processed internationally. Additional bank fees may apply. By continuing, I warrant that this location information is accurate. So I'll click on Get Canva Pro, and then we'll get a new pop-up window here. And I'm going to ready my phone so that I can actually input my mobile number right there. So I'm going to add in my mobile number right here so that I can actually pay via M-Pesa. And then I'm going to click on continue. Once I click on continue, something is going to happen. It's going to go through the system that is up there, and then it's going to prompt me on my phone to pay, and then I'm going to input my PIN number, then click on send, click OK, and once I pay, automatically it's going to reflect right here inside Canva, and you're going to get the welcome to Canva Pro right there. It's super simple. Everything. Let's say we want to edit photos, click on get started, and then you can start with the template and so on and so forth right there. Let's say start with the template, and you can now see that what we have here is more or less the paid option. So for example, let's say we have a photo right here. Let's say training day, click on this photo, and then let's say we want to use in a design. Let's say custom design, we can just go with this. It's going to open up right here, and now you can see that if I click on this photo, background remover now is active. If I was using the free version, it will not be available. So you can see right there the background is gone because these are free and paid tool. But simply put, that is how you can buy Canva for a day, available for selected countries, and my assumption is low-income countries or people who don't frequently use Canva. That's why it's available. I hope this video is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.